In the heart of Southeast Asia, military personnel from across the globe gather for one of the region's largest and longest-running military exercises, Cobra Gold 2025. Hosted by Thailand and the United States, began on February 25th in northeastern Thailand. The annual drills aim to strengthen military cooperation, enhance operational capabilities, and reinforce regional security. This year, over 8,000 troops from 30 nations participate, engaging in a range of high-intensity training exercises.
We see our increased ability to work together for our collective security and sovereignty, and in every Cobra Gold, we better understand each other's capabilities and build upon our collective partnerships. We've seen this exercise expand over the years, welcoming 7 participant nations this year and 2 that are in a lesser role. And what that does is increase our collective capability to go together.
The 44th edition of Cobra Gold introduces advanced training elements, focusing on cyber defense, space operations, and counter-drone strategies, underscoring the evolution of modern warfare.
It's a good question, and I think every year what we try to do is bring in, take a look at what's going on in the world around us and what type of technologies are being brought to bear, but that is why we are incorporating cyber into this exercise, for example. We're incorporating space, we're incorporating unmanned aerial systems and methods to counter those unmanned aerial systems. And that last one is one that we are seeing is very important in modern warfare. All of them are, but that last one in particular.
The exercise, which runs until March 7th, serves as a critical platform for nations to enhance interoperability, readiness, and strategic defense capabilities in a rapidly changing security environment. As global threats evolve, so do the alliances that safeguard peace and stability. Cobra Gold continues to stand as a testament to international military cooperation.
Our borders, a symbol of strength, guarded by our brave warriors. As the proverb goes, armor strengthens the greatest warrior. A1's fences are that armor for the armed forces. A1 Fence delivers quality in every inch, products, services, and insights, providing solutions, tackling every challenge in any terrain or condition. A1 Fence, securing our borders silently.